Hello everybody, I thought I'd give you a little review of a fantastic product we bought recently. It's the Butterfly Garden Growing Kit from Insect Law, and it came with a voucher to buy a little jar of caterpillars, which you can see here. And the caterpillars, you can see how much they grew over about a couple of weeks. And the children and I and my husband all had so much fun and just interest watching these little things grow and eventually hang upside down on the top of their jar and turn into chrysalises. We managed to capture, actually it was my second eldest son, managed to capture the very last one turning into a chrysalis, and it was interesting to see how it was actually the chrysalis emerged from the skin, which we didn't think would happen. We thought the chrysalis was sort of grown around the skin, but as you can see here, he sort of comes out of his skin and then sheds that last little bit and pushes it off. This is taken in double the time, just out of interest. So you can see he's just wiggling and wiggling and wiggling, and he's about to shed that last little bit of skin and become a complete chrysalis. Just fascinating. There it goes. When all the caterpillars had turned into chrysalises, we put them inside the butterfly cage. It's a little pop-up mesh cage that comes with the kit, and we missed all 4 out of 5 butterflies emerging from their chrysalises, and my husband was able to capture the last one. So here it is. Again, this is taken in double the time. And you can see we all learnt about how the wings need to be pumped up after the butterfly emerges. So they're still sort of crumpled up. She gives her chrysalis a little pat and then walks off, and then finds a spot to pump up her wings. My children were so excited by this. We captured the moment, and my son was playing a little welcome tune on his fiddle.
Oh look, he's coming right up. And this was...
He's wiggling.
Look, Mummy, look what he's doing to his wings. Look, Mummy, his wings have already got bigger.
Yeah, he's pumping them up. Finally, they were let out.
So they've all hatched now, and I'm going to let them out. They've got, as soon as they got the sun on them, they got all energetic and started flying around, and we put them in the sun. Yeah, they got all energetic and they're all happy. So I'm going to let them go. This one's come to the edge and he's sitting on the top now. See if he's going to fly. Oh, hang on, it might be off, might be about to go. Oh, there it goes. Going off into the next door's garden.
So the reason why my husband let out the butterflies was because we mistimed a holiday away with the children, and we were not around to see the butterflies be let out. So he kindly took videos, including this really cool one of a butterfly feeding and of them being released into the wild. So that's a top tip. When you do get your Insect Law butterfly growing kit, make sure that you haven't planned a holiday over the next sort of month, so you're around to see every part of it. Nevertheless, he took some fabulous videos, and the children were really excited to see the butterflies being let go. If you're interested in getting one of these, for your children to teach them about the life cycle of butterfly. I highly recommend it. It was a fabulous experience, and we'll definitely be getting a jar of caterpillars again next year. And we have the cage, of course, and don't need to buy anything else apart from the caterpillars, which can be purchased from Insect Law or through Amazon, which is where we got the butterfly kit initially. I'll put links to that in the description below. So I hope that was interesting to you. If you want to see any other home ed related videos like these and haven't already, please subscribe and share with those who you think might also enjoy and benefit. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next video. Bye.